when you have a meter in your hands, I want you to make sure that you understand exactly how that meter works. The last thing I'd ever want you to do is to find a setting that you're not familiar with and then test it on a live circuit.
We're going to talk a little bit about this water analogy. And James, can you tell me why we compare electricity to water? Why do we do that? Because it flows. It actually has the same components, but water we can see. We see water on a daily basis, so we can relate to that much better than we can something we can't see.
If you have any doubt whatsoever in any of your test leads and they don't look proper, please don't use them, not even for one measurement, because sometimes that one measurement will be the last measurement. When I see continuity and I get a reading that tells me the lamp is good, and if I were to test and get an OL, that would tell me that the lamp was bad. Test my meter and put it across two of these points right here, and then manually activate it and identify which is normally open, normally closed.